Good morning, 9th standard, lesson number 15, pollution and its sources. We have done pollution, pollutant, the biodegradable pollutants, the non-biodegradable pollutants, sources of pollution, point pollution, non-point pollution, air pollution, auto vehicles, industries. Now we have to start with next page. The burning of garbage. We were doing air pollution, burning of garbage. When the garbage is being burned, they are releasing carbon monoxide because of lack of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and these are harmful for the human being. They produce lot of smoke, which generally causing asthma and other breathing problems. Next is the water pollution. Water pollution है the contamination of water. Contamination mean खराब होना. Water bodies like river, lakes, seas, etc. The natural water resources. They are called as water pollution. And these are just because of several human activities. The rapid growth of population, urbanization, industrialization, and increasing use of chemicals, they result in water pollution. And this problem is increasing day by day. The first main reason is the industries, because they are releasing different type of heavy metals, organic compounds, even lead. And what type of industries are there? These are generally the petrochemical industries, textile, leather, distillery, paper industries, and chemical industries. They are just polluting the water. Domestic sewage is like every human being is using 135 liters of water per day for washing their clothes, cooking, bathing, etc. And this water is drained out in domestic sewage. And they are also having detergents. They are killing the fish in the water. The next main point is the soil pollution. Soil is, it refers to the building up of toxic chemical compounds, salt, radioactive material, diseases causing organism, pathogens. These all are the pollutants. They affect the plant and animal life. Chemical fertilizers, they are also the main source of soil pollution, because they are having nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And these chemicals, when they are added in the soil, they make the soil toxic. And this affects the fertility. Fertility means there will be less crop. And they change the chemical and biological structure of the soil. The use of continuous insecticides and pesticides. The farmers, to control the pests and insects, they use these for better crops. But they are using spraying method. They are also causing soil pollution. The next is what are the pathogens? They are the biological agent that spread the diseases, and weeds are the unwanted plants, and they are removed by taking nutrient share of other plants. Pathogen, it's an important definition. The commonly used insecticide and pesticides are DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, chlordane, and taxophene. Next is biomedical waste. Biomedical waste is the biomedical waste that is generally released by the different hospitals, etc. During the diagnosis, testing. Diagnosis जैसे different test हो रहे हैं, blood test होते हैं, and testing, treatment, research और production of the biological products for the human and animals. These waste, इस waste में क्या क्या होता है? Syringes, live vaccine, laboratory sample, body part, bodily fluids, waste, sharp needle cultures, etc. They have different microorganisms that can infect the hospital patient, health worker, and general public. अगर इन्हें अनट्रीट करके ही रिलीज कर दिया जाए तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंटामिनेशन करते हैं. It should be treated firstly, then they are released in the environment. The different tools and devices doctors use for the diagnostic purpose are radioactive. If they are disposable tool or devices, improperly disposed of means इन्हें पहले sterilize किया जाता है, फिर इन्हें dispose किया जाता है, so that the other human being और other animals जो हैं इसके इफेक्ट में ना आए. Different diseases contract include AIDS, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis B and SARS. ये सारी जो diseases हैं इनके जो है इनको रोकने के लिए जो भी टेस्टिंग का मटेरियल होता है they have to use this in they have to treat the equipments, sterilize करना पड़ता है, then they waste, तब इस वेस्ट को रिमूव किया जाता है. Sources of noise pollution. Noise pollution, we know that noise pollution is the noise, annoying and stressful sound and capable of damaging the ears. ये क्यों है? ट्रैफिक सबसे इसका जो मेन सोर्स है दैट इज द ट्रैफिक. लैंडिंग ऑफ एयरप्लेन्स, रूरल एरिया में फार्म मशीनरीज हैं, फेस्टिवल में फायर क्रैकर्स, ऑल दीज कॉजेज नॉइज पॉल्यूशन. लाउड स्पीकर है सिटीज में, इंजन ऑफ शिप, सुपर टैंकर्स एक्सेट्रा, दे कॉज नॉइज पॉल्यूशन. रेडिएशन पॉल्यूशन में क्या होता है? रेडियो एक्टिव मटीरियल यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम, दे आर द टू रेडियो एक्टिव मटीरियल्स. ओके, दे कॉज रेडिएशन पॉल्यूशन. दे आर generated by the nuclear reactors. They are very hazardous होता है, dangerous होते हैं, deadly to the people and environment. और सबसे मेन चीज़ है they remain active for thousands of years. बहुत लंबे समय तक ये environment में exist करते हैं and they cause very serious health issues and environmental hazards. The nuclear power plant increase the number of source of power. Uranium as a raw material, mining of uranium and other radioactive material, they release radon of very harmful gases. They causes lung cancer. और इसका सबसे ज़्यादा हैज़ार्डस इफेक्ट ये होता है कि वंस इट इज़ बीइंग रिलीज्ड इन द एनवायरनमेंट एंड दे बिकम सो टॉक्सिक और बहुत ज़्यादा थाउजेंड ऑफ ईयर्स के लिए इसका जो नेगेटिव इफेक्ट है वो मतलब एग्जिस्ट करेगा एनवायरनमेंट में एंड सर्वाइवल विल बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट. न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स जो होते हैं दे आर फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज. जो न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स हैं इनमें यूरेनियम होता है और ये बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक एग्जिस्ट करता है. वी आर हैविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी इन द जापान, जहाँ पर न्यूक्लियर टेस्टिंग हुआ था एंड स्टिल टिल डेट अभी तक वहाँ पर इसका हजार्डस इफेक्ट जो है इट इज़ क्लियरली शोन. एटॉमिक बॉम्ब, एक्स-रेज, दे आर वेरी हार्मफुल एंड इवन ईजिली किल द लिविंग सेल्स. सबसे ज़्यादा एक्स-रेज जो होते हैं दे कैन ईजिली किल द लिविंग सेल्स. इफ़ डोज्ड इन हाई क्वांटिटी, अगर इसे बहुत ज़्यादा हाई क्वांटिटी में हम करते हैं. एक्सपोजर ऑफ बॉडी सेल एंड टिश्यू टू लार्ज डोजेज ऑफ एक्स रेज हैव वेरी हाई ionizing part that result in DNA abnormalities. DNA you have done in bio, डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर है जिसमें जीन्स लगे हैं और उसमें abnormality मतलब एक बार आ जाती है that lead to cancer and birth defects. Even nowadays, safe, low-energy X-rays are being used in hospital, office, and laboratories. Lead shielding is still recommended to prevent prolonged exposure to these harmful radiation. Now, go to this glossary. Learn these new terms: hydrocarbon, weeds, gales, pollution, biodegradable substances, pollutant, detergent, pathogen. Learn it, write it in fair copy, and try to solve this exercise. In the next class, you will be getting this answer key of these questions. Thank you.